pleased to announce our Tuff Truck line specializes in custom coils for armored vehicles. The new era of personal armored vehicles is here! Our TTC 2829 and TTC 2816 are key examples for use in armored vehicles. The TTC 2829 and TTC 2816 are both used in Ford F450 and F550 trucks. These springs will replace the OEM front coil springs. Orders for these springs have already started streaming in. We have kits in stock in both our West Coast and Midwest warehouses. Call us or email for more info on the armored vehicle coil springs.